Tape www.école-au-sénégal.com. À École au Sénégal, c'est facile, tu n'as qu'à te connecter. Tape École au Sénégal, les leçons sont beaucoup plus détaillées.
Good morning, boys and girls. Here back again, Mr. Job is back again, and today we're going to talk about ordinals and cardinals, our numbers. You remember last time? Went through the numbers 1, 2, 10 to 20. Okay? So we're gonna write our ordinals, our cardinals, okay? Cardinals and ordinals. If we look at these two words, okay, put a line in the middle, okay, so when we count, we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? Let me see. 9, 8, okay, 8. Now, I'll finish it later, okay? Now, 1, okay, equals to first, okay, ordinals, okay? 2 equals to second, 3 goes to third. You put your tongue third. Your tongue and you pull it back. Okay? Third. Okay? Then you go fourth. Fifth. Sixth. Seventh, the eighth, okay, then you got the ninth, the 9, we say the ninth, and 10th, 11th, the 10th, the 11th, the 12th, okay, the 13, and 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, until the 20, 13, 14th, Okay, 15th, 16th. And when you get to 20, you go 20, 20, and you go like the 20th. Okay, so we know that here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, you got 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and here 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alors, here is normal counting. 1 boy, 2 boys, 3 boys, 5 boys, 7 boys, 8 girls, 9 girls, 1 table, 2 tables, 1 pencil, 2 pencils, 1 arm. Okay? And here, it's when we're having a race. We're having a race. Alright, I'm first. Okay? Here right behind me is second. And the other one is third. So, we put here, it's when we're having a competition, okay? I'm the first to arrive. Is the second, is the third, is the fourth, is the fifth, is the sixth, okay? Today is the 27th of May. Oh, the 27th of May. Le 27 mai. Le 27 mai. 27th of May. So I would write 27th of May. Okay? Why 27th of May? Today is the 1st of December. The 1st of December. I write 1 and I would put 1st of December. Today is the 2nd of July. Le 2 juillet. Okay, let me see. 2nd of July. I write 2 and I put the last 2 letters. The last 2 letters of first is ST. I put first. I am first. Je suis le premier de la classe. I'm the first in the class. Aminata is second. Elle est la seconde. Elle est en composition. Okay? Second. Okay? Demba est troisième de la classe. Demba comme third. Wow, Demba, il a bien travaillé. Demba, third. On met la langue entre les dents et on la retire. Third, I'm first. You second, is third. Third, on regarde les 2 dernières lettres. On met toujours les 2 dernières lettres. The last 2 letters. Third se termine par RD. Il est le troisième. Aminata est la première, moi je suis le second, le deuxième, lui, Demba est le troisième. Qui est quatrième? Qui est la quatrième? Et Sally! Sally is fourth à la composition. Waouh, elle a bien travaillé, Sally. Fourth, parce que TH. Et ainsi de suite. On met les dernières lettres. D'accord? Et quand on revient à 21, on dit 21st. Ok? 20. Alors qu'en comptant, on dira 21, 22, 23, mais le 21e, le 22e, le 23e, le 21st, le 22nd, le 23rd, le 24th, le 25th. Donc, nous avons les cardinals et les ordinals. Ok? Cardinals and ordinals. Les ordinals nous permettent de savoir qui est le premier de la classe, qui a gagné la course, qui est arrivé en première position, qui est arrivé en deuxième position, qui est en septième position. Ah, il est seventh, ok. On continue. 5. Ouh, la course, elle est arrivée cinquième. Wow, she can run fast. Fifth, parce que c'était H. Sixième position, qui est arrivé? 6. Today is the 6th of April. On est le 6 avril. Donc, quand on écrit la date, on va mettre mercredi ou bien lundi, Monday. Today is Monday. Okay? The first of July 2025. Wow. Ah, Noël, c'est quand Noël? Christmas. Ah, let me see Christmas. Christmas. Yes, Christmas is, le jour des cadeaux, le jour de Noël, is December 25th. Okay, Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Alors, Christmas is on the 25th of December. 1, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. 25th. TH. 25th of December. Christmas is on the 25th of December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay? That's it. Now, nous savons compter. We know how to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? Et nous savons dire que 1 est égal à first, le premier. 1, 2 est égal au second. D'accord? Donc 1, first, 1 est égal à first, le premier. 2 est égal au second, au deuxième. Second, 3 est égal au third. Donc, à la composition comme à la course, on sait maintenant que qui est arrivé premier de la classe et qui est arrivé cinquième de la classe. On sait aussi que les jours du mois, il y a 30 jours ou 31 jours, on sait que le premier jour du mois, the 1st of July, the 2nd of December, the 3rd of April, the 4th of June, the 5th of September, okay? The 6th of October. My birthday is on the 6th of October, par exemple, si on est né le 6 octobre. Donc, avec ça, on peut savoir qui est le premier, who come first. Avec ça, on peut dire son anniversaire. Avec ça, on peut écrire la date du mois, d'accord? Et les jours de l'année, okay? So, next time, I will come back and we try to do more. Until next time, goodbye my friends. Bye bye.
Tape www.suividecolosénégal.com. À École au